All right, tech made easy, transforming technophobes into tech savvy entrepreneurs. So, we all know that online business means using tech, and some of us are more tech savvy than others. I know when I started, email was about as much technology as I knew, but I knew that I needed to learn more to grow. And so, I started to go on a journey of learning what I needed to do, taking classes, and trying all different things. The thing is that sometimes that can be time consuming and distracting. So, here are my top tips for you to become a more tech savvy entrepreneur without wasting time or money. First is realize that there's a lot of tech involved. And many times using technology means that things can not always be easier or faster the first time you do it. But once you learn how to do something and repeat the process, it will make your life easier. So be willing to push through that resistance and get to know the tech tools that will then catapult your business. Second, find and invest in tools that offer support and that have a good set of tutorials or have someone you can reach out to or include some sort of coaching or consulting. This way, you're not wasting time banging your head against the wall for hours on end, never knowing if you're going to get it right and then being disappointed in the results. When you can get on chat or onto a video call, even better, or even on the phone and talk to somebody about what's going on and have them talk you through it, it just makes that tool so much more valuable. And the time that you're going to save is worth more than what you're investing to use it. Lastly, keep on top of the trends, but don't fall for shiny object syndrome. There are so many different things that you could invest in and do. And sometimes we get into the habit of just grabbing the newest thing out there or what anybody is talking about. Have a clear idea of exactly what tech you really need, which may be significantly less, and start there. When you reach a point where you need something else, then look just for that thing to bring in and find the easiest and most efficient way to do that. You don't need to add every bell and whistle on the get-go. Make sure that you have tech that works so you know how to manage and that it's going to actually help people invest in your business. Then you can add more bells and whistles as you go. If you would like more advice on getting the tech you need in an easy way with great support and knowing what you need, what you don't need, and how to get there, please drop hashtag tech in the comments and I would love to share more information with you of how to do that.